Junkyard. This is another episode of Michael's Funko Pop. And now hey, got this in the mail. So it is from Teen Wolf, Stiles, Zelensky, the best run. I hated that Teen Wolf is off the air now. I got every episode, so I can watch it whenever I want. But because it was ending, I had to get the pops. Yeah, there's 3 of them you can see. There's the back of the box. There's that side view. And then there's that view. But let's open them. Oh, so happy. Oh. Whoa. There's the box. And the best friend. There's Stiles. We'll be getting some close-ups, but he's got his little backpack, if you guys can see that. Yeah. Stiles Zelensky, the funny one. I think it looks cool. This is my first, technically, human Funko Pop. Well, not a superhero, not a villain. Just a normal guy. So, let's do some close-ups. Okay, everybody, that was my close-up of Stiles from Teen Wolf. Pretty much like the pop. If you saw in the close-ups, the backpack, how it's got the details in it and stuff like that. So, that is Stiles from Teen Wolf. Anything to say, Stiles? Till next time, Junkyard's closed. Peace!
Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and do anything you can do to help the Junkyard.